In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable video tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you're working on a timeline in DaVinci Resolve and one of your video tracks isn't showing up the way you expect, there's a very quick way to fix it. Sometimes a track gets turned off accidentally, and when that happens, the clips on that track won't display in the viewer or appear in your edit as expected. The good news is that enabling it again only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, go to your timeline. This is the area where all of your video and audio tracks are arranged in layers, and it's where you'll be making this adjustment. Take a look at the list of video tracks and find the specific track you want to enable. If you have several tracks stacked on top of each other, it helps to pause for a second and make sure you've selected the correct one before changing anything. Once you've found the video track you want to work with, look over to the set of icons attached to that track. DaVinci Resolve gives you a few track controls here, and the one you need is the photographic film icon. This icon controls whether that video track is enabled or disabled. Click the photographic film icon to enable the track. As soon as you do that, the track should become active again, and any clips on that layer can show properly in your timeline output. This is especially useful if you've been wondering why footage seems to have disappeared even though the clips are still sitting in place on the timeline. A simple way to tell whether the track is currently disabled is by looking for a red slash on that film icon. If you see the red slash, that means the track is turned off. If the slash is gone, the track is enabled and ready to display normally. That's all there is to it. Go to the timeline, find the video track you want, locate the photographic film icon, and click it to turn the track back on. It's a small control, but it can save you a lot of confusion while editing. If you're troubleshooting missing video in DaVinci Resolve, this is one of the first things worth checking because the solution is often that simple.